Good morning to all of you. Stay home, stay safe. In our previous lecture, we studied about Norris type first reaction where alpha cleavage is generated, and already familiar with carbonyl compound photochemistry, in which carbonyl compound, when light is irradiated, the first this reactant in the excited state, and the first excited state is singlet, then through inter-system crossing it converts into triplet. In beta cleavage reaction, show those compounds which have weak C alpha C beta bond as compared to molecule. So the first condition, C alpha C beta weak bond, means C alpha C beta cleaves generated. Why this C alpha C beta cleaves generated? Due to electronic excitation of the carbonyl group by excitation energy shifted to carbonyl to C alpha C beta, that is weak bond, and cleavage is generated. The next important point is rare possibility for the process of decarbonization. So in beta cleavage there is a rare possibility of decarbonization. The next point regarding the intermediate, diradical, or you say biradical intermediate is formed. In case of beta, the possibility maximum is 1,3 diradical. In case of 1,3 diradical, there are formation of the product, two possibility, 1,2 hydrogen shift, or in case of absent of hydrogen, then 1,2 alkyl group shift. An important note regarding this, in case of 1,4 diradical generate, which is followed by beta cleaves, then this is considered as under the name of Norris type second reaction. So in C alpha C beta cleaves, due to weak bond and excitation energy, now carbonyl group to shift to C alpha to C beta and cleavage is generated. Now we can explain this beta cleavage by few examples. So I will take example 1. In a cyclopropane system, so acetyl cyclopropane, example of cyclopropane, this is cyclopropane group and this is acetyl group. When light is irradiated, what will happen? Here nearest to carbonyl group, this is alpha position, this is beta position, this is also a beta position. So maybe cleaves like this, maybe cleaves like this. So take this in the form of CS2, here also CS2, here CH, C double bond O, CS3. Now light is irradiated. Similar singlet as well as in triplet, in both states this show the particular product of formation of radical. So this is suppose alpha, so this is beta, now cleavage is here. So in this case CS2 radical. This is CH2, right here H and H, CH, C double bond O, CH3. Here radical. So single bond divided is every single bond have 2 electron. So one CH2 by CH2 and one is by CH. So 2 radical CH2 and CH radical are formed. Now check 1, 2, 3. It means 1, 3 di radical is formed. After formation of di radical, the question is asked here the possibility of cyclization. No, due to strain, never possibility of cyclopropane. So due to strain, cyclization is not possible. So what will happen then? There is a shifting system because here hydrogen is present. So 1, 2 hydrogen shifted. So first possibility, if hydrogen shift here, then radical shift to at this position. So hydrogen shift here, it convert into CH3. Then here only CH is remaining and radical shifted here. So CH, radical make double bond. Then C double bond O, CH3, the first product. The second possibility, maybe this hydrogen shifted to in this position. When shifted here, radical shifted to this, so double bond make in between first and second. So the formation of CH2, double bond CH, then CH2, C double bond O, CH3. Check it. This is a terminal alkyne. Here the internal alkyne. So which is major? Internal alkyne is major, and this is in minor product. For more equation, if you select more example, so I will take the second example as a bicyclocarbonyl compound. In bicyclocarbonyl compound also show the beta cleaves. So the second example I will take bicyclocarbonyl compound. Take this example, bicyclocarbonyl compound, and like this repeat, what will happen? Check it, nearest to this alpha, this is beta also. So what are the possibility? Similarly, same, first singlet, then triplet, and there is formation of the product. And what is the name of this compound? This is bicyclo, this is the base. So 1, 2, 3, 4 one side and only one side. So the name of the compound is bicyclo. Here 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, here 1, and in mid is 0. Total number of carbons 7, so called HAP. And on at first and second position, so HAP to on. Now in photochemistry, this is bicyclo. This is alpha, this is beta. I will first break in this side after producing the light. So first in this side, what will happen? Formation of a diradical in this manner. Radical is generated here, and remaining this is CH2, radical is generated here. Check it, 1, 2, 3. It means 1, 3 di radical. So there is two possibility. First check hydrogen. Here is the hydrogen. So the first possibility of this, hydrogen shifted to at this position, radical shifted to here. So what are the product now? If hydrogen shifted here, radical shifted here, here generate double bond, it convert into CH3. The second possibility for this, if this hydrogen shift to in this side, so radical shifted here. Now in this case, if hydrogen shifted here, radical shifted here, now radical make a bond, so double bond CH2. In first and second case which is major, there is a possibility of this is major as compared to second. Now another possibility, suppose cleavage is generated by in this manner. Here is cleavage generated. If here is cleavage generated, then a ring expansion is generated. If cleavage is here generated, then here is double bond O, here is alpha radical, the next is free and next is alpha here, so one free and then radical is here, and here is hydrogen there. Now again two possibility, if hydrogen take by this or hydrogen take by this, so by two possibility, maybe the formation of double bond this, if hydrogen shifted here, then make a bond in this side, so bond is formed here. In this case, if hydrogen shifted to in this position, so radical is also shifted and radical shifted to opposite side, so the formation of maximum measure is 1, 2 and 3 as compared to first. Now I will take third example for a different moiety, that is alpha beta epoxy carbonyl compound. So in alpha beta epoxy carbonyl compound, alpha beta epoxy carbonyl, I will take the example of alpha beta epoxy carbonyl. This is a cyclopropane system where epoxy is generated, and here one side phenyl group C6H5, one side alkyl group, that is methyl group, and light is irradiated. What will happen? One more important point, in case of epoxy, there is a carbon oxygen bond. Carbon oxygen bond is weak as compared to carbon carbon bond. Carbon oxygen bond is weak as compared to carbon carbon bond. So this is alpha and this is beta, so cleavage is here. And in this case, only this carbonyl group first excited, converted into a singlet state, but in case of then ISC, then triplet, so triplet state is not found, only singlet state is found in this case due to the high electron of oxygen atom. Now how the product is formed? So here the CH, C double bond O, CS3, here only C, one side methyl group, another side phenyl group. So this is alpha, this is beta, cleavage is here, when like is irradiated. Then cleavage is here, the formation of O radical, C, one side phenyl group and another side methyl group. Here CH radical, C double bond O, CS3. Now 1, 2, 3, it means 1, 3 di radical. 1, 3 di radical. Now further proceed. Here no hydrogen is present, so the shifting may be phenyl group, may be methyl group. So in this case, the methyl group shifted to this carbon. Why only 1 to methyl shift? Only 1 to methyl shift is generated. Why not to be phenyl? Because this proceed in fast process as compared to phenyl. So when shifted to this, so in case of phenyl, so check the in case of phenyl never, only 1 to methyl shift, only 1 to methyl. So methyl shifted here. Then when methyl shifted here, what will happen? CH, C double bond O, CS3, and methyl shifted here. Radical shifted to this carbon, and this radical and radical of carbon make a double bond and formation of the compound C double bond O, C6H5. The maximum possibility. Now another example for your practice. Few examples to take practice for beta cleavage reaction. So I will take the first example for your practice. The second example. Hint for the solution. Here this is alpha and this is beta, because CO bond is weak as compared to CC bond. So this is beta. So Cleavage is here. In this case, when Cleavage is here, then it convert into here, Cleavage is here, O radical, and this is radical. So 1, 2, 3. Here no hydrogen, so methyl group shifted here, and this convert into, when methyl group shifted here, it convert into like this. Similarly, in this case, here alpha and beta system. Here also beta system is there. Here only alpha. So only alpha. So alpha cleavage as well as alpha beta cleavage both are present in this compound. So in case of alpha, there are all possibility formation of aldehyde and the abstraction of hydrogen in this side and in this side. So more possibility in this case. So beta cleavage as well as in alpha cleavage. Thank you.